Is your Amazon Prime viewing experience being ruined by subtitles that are completely out of sync? Don't worry, fixing that annoying subtitle delay is usually pretty straightforward. First, pause the video you're watching. This will give you time to access the settings. Look for the subtitles icon. It usually resembles a speech bubble or a rectangle with lines. Click on it. This will open the subtitle settings menu now. Look for an option to adjust the timing, synchronization, or delay of the subtitles. The exact wording might vary depending on the device you are using. You should see controls that allow you to either speed up or slow down the subtitles. If the subtitles are appearing before the spoken words, you need to delay them. Use the controls, like plus or minus buttons, to add a delay in milliseconds or seconds. Conversely, if the subtitles are appearing after the spoken words, you need to advance them again. Use the controls to make adjustments. Play the video for a few seconds to check if the adjustment worked. You might need to fine-tune the timing a few times to get it perfect. If adjusting the subtitle timing doesn't work, there are a couple of other things to check. A slow or unstable internet connection can sometimes cause synchronization issues. Try running a speed test to ensure you have a sufficient connection. As a last resort, try watching on a different device. Sometimes the issue is specific to the device you're using. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods solved your subtitle delay problem. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy watching!